We get some more information on the OnePlus 6T, this time coming from OnePlus actually. The new iPads have been registered in China along with a new possible Apple Pencil, and Samsung is pushing hard on their foldable smartphone so that it doesn't fade away like a gimmick. I'm Jaime Rivera, and yes, last day here as a crazy amount of travel begins as of the next hour. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. Project Fi is currently having one where you get $150 off if you get an LG phone, meaning devices like the G7 or the V35 that are currently the ones being retailed. Most important part is that these LG phones actually have another extra like $200 discount. So we're talking that these phones get extremely cheap, and Project Fi is probably one of my favorite services of all time. You can learn more about it in the description. Now let's talk about Samsung, as the company's CEO of mobile, DJ Ko, was recently on record talking about their foldable smartphones, and he has been teasing this for a while. He's been saying things like that they're working hard on the user interface, that they don't want this to fade away like a gimmick, that this product would really, he didn't say revolutionize, but to a certain degree that's what he's hinting to, that they're working really hard on pretty much reinventing the tablet, I guess. Let's see if in the end they pull it off. I find it interesting that he keeps talking about a product that hasn't been launched. This is funnier than leaks. Now let's talk about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. We're just a couple of days away from the event, and yes, that crazy travel includes the fact that I have to go to London to that. And we get more leaks. It seems that there is a 4200 milliamp hour battery, obviously the Kirin 980, and apparently that camera array that has been teased in a sort of an L and that box around it looks really nice in the leaks. It seems that it's actually going to happen that way, so stay tuned, we'll be covering it live. Now let's talk about new iPads. I am one of the people that's personally waiting for them, particularly because I depend on them for work, and I've said this continuously. For those of you in the market for iPads, I highly recommend that you wait. Apparently, they just got certified in China, it seems, or something, in addition to a new Apple Pencil. So we're not exactly sure how many models we're getting, but definitely from all the leaks that we've seen, these iPads are going to change completely. So that's fantastic. Let's just hope it happens. And finally, the hot news today comes from OnePlus, as well, there are forums on Weibo discussing everything to except for the OnePlus 6T, and now we've got the company chiming in, telling us, for example, things like that we should expect it by the 30th, things like that they're working hard on a completely different gesture-based user interface, which is rather interesting, and the fact that we've got this optical on-display fingerprint scanner that they've been teasing significantly. It is definitely one of the hottest phones that we've been waiting for so far. And please don't remember, in the first link in the description, if you're interested in participating in the event in New York City, we're going to be there. You can hang out with us. There's a link down there where you can actually connect and get an invite to the event. Obviously, you have to pay for it, but they always give out swag and things for you to be able to enjoy the event. So yeah, if you do, follow the first link in the description and let us know in the question, are you excited about the OnePlus 6T, particularly with all the leaks that we've seen? Because in my case, I definitely am. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next week.